Thank you so much. You are watching this video. It's very effective video for you. I will share the benefits of muskmelon regarding skin glow and tell you an easy and tasty smoothie made up of it. So don't skip any part of this video. These juicy fruits are not just delicious and refreshing, they also harbor a treasure trove of benefits for achieving that radiant skin glow. Melon is a hydration a powerhouse. These fruit wonders are hydration superheroes boosting a high water concentration. When you consume melons, you are not just relishing a delightful treat but also providing your skin with a hydrating infusion. This moisture boost helps combat dryness, leaving your skin plump, supple, and most importantly, glowing. Melon is rich in antioxidants. Melons are not just a pretty sight with their vibrant colors, they are packed with antioxidants like vitamins A and C. These antioxidants are warriors against free radicals. By indulging in melons regularly, you arm your skin with the tools it needs to fight off these pesky pesky radicals, resulting in a brighter complexion and smoother skin texture. Now I'm going to share the recipe of a smoothie. Here you will need 1 glass of milk, 3 bananas and 1 melon. It can be small. If you have some weight problem, you need to avoid milk, you can add water as well. Okay, so it's up to you. It's your own choice. So we are going to make them. We are going to ready. We just peel out the them and then we uh, make some small pieces bananas and melons. Okay, so here I these things two things are ready, and now you need here 1 jug, and now I'm going to add these ingredients melons pieces in the jug. And the other thing is that if you have some, yes, I want to tell you one thing more. If you have some weight issues and you need to lose your weight, so it's necessary that you will add only water in it. So and the other thing is that bananas, yes, mostly people think that bananas uh, like it bananas, we can't use bananas whenever we need to reduce the weight. No, it is the obsession, and I think that bananas are good for everyone if you if you use them in the best way. So here this is the the energy booster for you, and you need to bring this smoothie. So here you need a blender, and first we add milk or water in these pieces. I'm just adding the milk here, and don't add sugar because they are already sweet. Bananas and melons, they have the natural sweetener. Okay, so here we need start blending with the blender. I'm just switching on the blender, and now I'm putting this tool inside the jug. Now I'm starting blending. I will make a soft smoothie, and yes, now it's starting right now, and you will see the texture, the thicker texture, and uh, that looks very good and very tasty and very delicious as well. This smoothie is ready right now, and now I'm just pouring it in the glass. This smoothie is sufficient for 4 to 5 people, and they can easily have this smoothie. It's very delicious for you and tasty. Sharing you more benefits of melon. Melon is a collagen booster. Melons contain collagen boosting nutrients like vitamin C, essential for collagen synthesis. Collagen, the protein responsible for skin elasticity, works hand in hand with vitamin C to maintain skin firmness and ward off wrinkles. By incorporating melons into your diet, you are adding your body's natural collagen production, ensuring your skin stays firm and radiant. Melon has detoxifying properties. Detox, cleanse, purify, these are the buzzwords in the world of healthy skin. Melons, with their high water content and fiber, act as natural detoxifiers. They assist in flushing out the toxins from the body. It reflects on your skin, leaving it clear, bright, and positively glowing. How to incorporate melons for skin benefits? Eating melons in their juicy natural form is the most direct way to reap their skin loving rewards. Slice them up for a refreshing snack, blend them into a revitalizing smoothie, or toss them into a fruit salad for a nourishing treat. Additionally, applying a mashed melon as a face mask can offer a refreshing boost to your skin externally, leaving it soft and radiant. Melons are not just fruits, they are magic potions for your skin. With their hydrating, antioxidant rich, collagen boosting, and detoxifying properties, these fruits work wonders in promoting a natural, glowing complexion. So, the next time you savor a juicy slice of melon, know that you are not just enjoying a delicious snack, you are also giving your skin a radiant gift from nature's bounty. Share this video, do like, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.